What's up everybody? I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to talk about yet another one of my Flick Trick finger bikes. This is another retro, and this bike has been really popular lately because Skyway has come out with a new reissue frames. I think in a 24 or 26 inch, but this is my Skyway TA retro trick flicks. Still new in the clamshell packaging. This one came out in 2000, I don't even know. I need glasses, people. But anyway, I'm actually going to open this up, so check this out. I probably could have sold this thing, but hey, I've got a few ideas for it. Maybe change out the tires, so I may update this video. Comes with the trick bars and a little wrench. What's up, you guys? I just make a little update to the video. I just changed out the seat, the handlebar grips, the pedals, the sprocket, and the tires, put some mags on it. So I gave it a real clean look. I may actually paint the seat post clamp. So anyway, this is my Skyway TA. So I'll be putting this on my shelf next to my other bikes. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Peace out.